Good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Hatron Skill Center near Fountain Chowk, Nagar. Our center code is 034. I'm Ankit Sharma. Students, we were discussing about the footprinting as we were discussing about the information gathering technique. Then I told you about the three types that was footprinting, scanning techniques, okay, and social engineering, physical securities, also things. So we were discussing about the footprinting, in which I told you what is footprinting, what are the sub branches of footprinting. Okay, they were open source footprinting, network based, and DNS interrogations. We were discussing about the tools, tricks, and techniques for information gathering. I told you about the tools and techniques. Now, in today's lecture, we'll be discussing further, starting from the tricks of information gathering. So let's start. Our topic is tricks for information gathering. Okay. So what are the tricks for information gathering? We can gather information from other different sources, such as social networking sites. We can gather information through the help of Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. These all are the sites where general users share their personal data and additional information related to them. Even search engines play a significant role in gathering the information. Hackers can also gather information from various financial services about a target company, such as the market value of the company's share, company's profile, competitor details, etc. Hackers can also collect information from the email header, which includes address from which message was sent, sender's email servers, sender's IP addresses, date and time received by the originator's email server, authentication systems used by senders mail servers, and senders full name. So these are the tricks through which information can be gathered. I told you about the general networking sites. After that general networking sites, I told you about the company share these mail IDs. Now talking about the objectives of footprinting. So first one comes is collect network information. So collect information network. Information network collecting is such as domain name, internal domain names, IP addresses of the reachable systems, rogue websites, private websites within a domain, access control mechanisms, protocols are being used, existing VPNs, analog and digital telephone numbers, authentication mechanisms and system enumerations. These are the network informations which have to be collected. Okay. These are the network information. Next comes is collect system information. Collecting of system information such as users and group names, system banners, routing tables, and routing protocols. So it is using SNMP information system architecture, operating system used, remote system type, usernames, and passwords. These are the system information which are to be collected. Next comes is collect organizations information. So collecting of organizations information such as employee details, organization's website, companies, directories, log details, addresses and phone numbers, comments in HTML source code within an organization website, security policies implemented, web server links relevant to the organization's news articles and press releases are the objectives and are the organizational information which are to be collected. So these three are the objectives of footprinting. Now next comes is countermeasures. Countermeasures classify the type of information which is needed to be kept public. Means you have to classify the types of information which are to be kept public, otherwise keep it private. Okay. Don't put unnecessary information into any profile, social networking account, or any website. Don't keep your personal contact number in any company or organization's phone book, mainly to prevent war dialing. What are the now coming on to next counter measures against DNS interrogation. So keep internal DNS and external DNS separate and restrict the disable zone transfers of authorized servers. So students, we have discussed all the topics regarding the information gathering. Now coming on to the footprinting, I have told you. Now coming on to the scanning techniques. Okay, so we'll be going through the scanning techniques. Footprinting is finished. So what is scanning technique? Objectives on network scanning, scanning methodologies, port scanning, TCP/IP handshakes, and vulnerability scanning, tools and step use. These are all the parts of scanning techniques. So let us discuss about scanning techniques. I'll just be giving you the overview or just the definition of scanning technique. We'll be learning the scanning technique and details on the next lecture. Okay, so what is scanning technique? Scanning is another essential step which is necessary, and it refers to the package of techniques and procedures used to identify host, ports, and various services within a network. Network scanning is one of the component of intelligence gathering and information retrieving mechanisms an attacker used to create an overview scenario of the target organizations. Means target organizations could be a group of people or organizations which falls in the prey of the hackers. Vulnerability scanning is performed by the penetration testers, or we might say pen testers. So pen testers detects the possibilities of network security attacks. The techniques led hackers to identify the vulnerabilities such as missing patches, unnecessary services, and weak authentications or weak encryption algorithm. So penetration testers are ethical hackers list down all such vulnerabilities found in organization network. Scanning is also of three types. The first one comes as network scanning, second one is port scanning, and third one comes as vulnerability scanning. I told you the definition that it is an essential step which is necessary for the package of techniques and procedures which are used to identify the host ports, and various services within a network. These are just required to scan the system, scan your organization system or your personal system or a particular target organization. Okay, students. So in this lecture, we have been going through tricks of information gathering, objectives of footprinting, countermeasures against DNS interrogation, and I have discussed about the definition of scanning technique. Okay, students. Now about the scanning technique, we'll be learning in detail tomorrow in tomorrow's lecture. Thank you.